If you're looking for a boat for your next adventure, then this could just be for you. Welcome to Sea Goddess. She's a 2020 model Lagoon 42. She's an owner's version with 3 cabins. She's fully equipped and ready for long-range cruising with aircon, a water maker, solar and lithium batteries. She was picked up new in France by her current owners and sailed back to Australia, with import taxes being paid. The Lagoon 42 is famous for being a versatile and comfortable cruising boat, and that's certainly the case with Sea Goddess. She's a modern design, she's an easy boat to handle with self-tacking jib and a well laid out helm station. She's got a good sized living spaces with both a large saloon and an open cockpit, and she's got very comfortable cabins with a lot of headroom, good amount of storage space for everything you could possibly need, and good ventilation. Sea Goddess is in good condition. She's been well maintained by her current owners, and engines have been recently serviced. Join us as we make our way through the boat. If you'd like any more information or to organise a viewing, please get in touch. My email is peter.austin@yachtsalesco.com.